candidate number 9.
I like the colors.
Okay, the question that you picked is question number 1. Your question is, what does being part of the LGBTQIA plus community mean to you? Again, what does being part of the LGBTQIA community mean to you?
For me, ladies and gentlemen, I believe that LGBTQ plus community means to me is love, understanding, and unity. Because ladies and gentlemen, we are here tonight gathering. We celebrate femininity, diversity, and equality for us to be able to be accepted by others. And I believe that we should know our value for being human, and because I believe that we should be respected by people, and I guess that will be all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate